Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. We're going to make a quick and easy, crisp, buttery shortbread cookie this morning. So get your cup of coffee and meet me back here because we're going to start right now. Hey guys, let's get ready to make our shortbread cookies. We have our room temperature butter, that's about a cup. And we're going to add powdered sugar to that, confectionery sugar, and about a tablespoon of vanilla flavoring. We're going to beat this until it is light and fluffy. Shortbread cookies are always so nice and buttery and good. So we're just going to beat this until it's light and fluffy. And we'll be back when it's all ready. Okay, it's all nice and light and fluffy. Can you see that? That's what it wants to look like. Now we're going to add our flour. It's 2 cups of all-purpose flour. The recipe is going to be in the description. I always like to kind of just take a whisk and just run it through my flour, make sure there's no clumps or anything in that. I'm not going to add it all in at once. I'm going to add a little bit at a time. I'm going to just beat it until it's fine crumbs. You want it to be really crumbly. Okay, we've got our fine crumbs, or not fine, but our crumbs again. And we're going to add a tablespoon of milk just so it can come together as a dough. We can put it in our piping tube here. Get them all piped out again. And you just want to take it into a circle as you're piping it down. Some of them will be small, some of them will be a little larger. Just depends on how well you can get this piped out. I'm not the best piper in the world, but we're going to work it. See how they come out. Sometimes the silicone mat is a little bit better because your parchment paper tends to move when you're piping them out. And so if you have a silicone mat, it won't move. There we go. Now we're on a roll. So we're just going to get these piped out and see how they work. And one of the things I like a lot about these shortbread cookies is they are very forgiving. As you guys can see, I am not the best piper in the world, but they're going to come out just right. So it's okay if your edges come out a little crinkly or frumply looking. Just keep at it. You'll get better. Believe it or not, I've gotten better. And it's going to be just awesome. And I actually decided to do these shortbread cookies because the recipe is so simple and easy and quick, and it only has 5 ingredients. And a friend of mine that I met online asked me to do a cookie recipe that was quick and easy. She has a couple of boys, it's summertime, and she's going to look at this video and she's going to say, but wait, piping, that's not quick, that's not easy. So I'm going to owe her another cookie video. So guys, we've got 12 piped out here, and as you can see, my piping skills aren't the best, so keep working at it because I am too. But I am getting better. That's why I'm not a cake decorator. So once they're piped out, because it takes a little bit of work, a little bit of time, that butter probably has warmed up a little bit more than you want so that you can make sure they're good and crispy. You want to stick your tray in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll put them in the freezer and we'll be back when it's time to bake. Okay, we've got them in the oven right now. They're baking at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, they are out of the oven. They have cooled, and as you can see, they are nice. They still have the shapes and the swirls. I hope you guys subscribe. Give me some comments about what you think, what you'd like to see. If you'd like to see another cookie, another type. I was going to do a simple chocolate swirl glaze over a few of them, but I've been talked out of that by the cookie monsters in my home. They want them just as they are, nice and crisp. Let's just give it a snap. Ooh, crispy, and let's taste. These are going to be gone in a minute. So I've got to leave you guys. Subscribe to my channel so you can get the next video. I am going to be doing a chicken challenge soon where I am going to butcher a whole chicken in under a minute or so. So you guys don't want to miss that one. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.